Hm? Was machst du? Oh, I'm tired little kid. Ich? My first video is about my little cat Mattis. He was always such a great pal, so I thought it'd be a perfect gift to make my first video about him. I mean, I've already made it one short, but it was just because I felt, hey, maybe somebody can see it and feels better that day if he sees it. Lee licks my finger. Yeah, you're a good cat. Good kitty cat. Mm. Maurice. He has such a plate as I had like Skipper from Penguins of Madagascar. We. Oh, yeah. You looked it. Yes. Has he seen something on my bed? Have you seen something? What's he doing now? Nah, he's licking his tail. Or his feet. Do all cats technically have a foot fetish? I mean, they are all licking feet. Think about it. Or don't think about it. Too many weird questions. Questions. I can't say questions with my German Bavarian accent. I'm German, by the way, to get that answered. So if my voice sounds weird, my English sounds weird, that's because that. That's because of that. Blah, grammar. I don't know. I'm outside right now. Oh, inside, I'm looking outside. Pretty rainy day. Just thought I would make a fun video of my cat, who's currently busy licking his butt. Well, up until next time, have a good day. Say bye, Maris. He's too busy.